If you're choosing between Amazon S3 and Azure Blob storage, this isn't just a storage comparison. It's ecosystem versus ecosystem. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Amazon S3 is the industry standard for object storage. It's massively scalable, extremely durable, and deeply integrated into the Amazon Web Services ecosystem. You get features like multiple storage tiers, lifecycle management, versioning, and strong security controls right out of the box. But here's the catch. Pricing can get complicated. Between storage classes, data transfer fees, and API requests, costs can add up quickly if you're not careful. And for beginners, the setup and permission system can feel overwhelming. Azure Blob Storage takes a similar approach, but is tightly integrated into the Microsoft Azure ecosystem. It offers hot, cool, and archive tiers, strong compliance features, and seamless integration with tools like Windows Server, Active Directory, and enterprise Microsoft products. It's often easier to use if you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem, especially for businesses relying on .NET or enterprise infrastructure. But compared to S3, it has slightly less third-party ecosystem support and community tooling. So the real difference is this. Amazon S3 is the most mature and widely adopted storage platform, while Azure Blob Storage is optimized for Microsoft-centric environments. From real user feedback, S3 is incredibly reliable, but pricing and setup can be confusing. Azure Blob integrates perfectly with Microsoft tools, much easier for enterprise teams. So, which one is better? Choose Amazon S3 if you want the most mature platform, widest ecosystem support, and maximum flexibility at scale. Choose Azure Blob Storage if you're already using Microsoft tools and want smoother integration with enterprise systems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.